Hello friends, this is me Laneha Chansu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing Nature Republic Real Comforting Mask Set in collaboration with EXO. If you're a fan of EXO or you love skincare, then keep on watching. There are 8 types of these masks that can be classified into 2 types, ampoule and essence. Each of the 8 masks feature a different EXO member with a special ingredient to deal with different concerns. So I chose the emulsion type that has watery finish and leaves skin moisturized without greasiness. I chose human mask that has medicated to soothe skin effectively for a smooth finish. The box has pastel green and white color with English and Korean printed, but mostly it's Korean. Human signatures are printed as well. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Then there is EXO logo too. Unfortunately, the box came like this. I wish it didn't lose its shape. Anyways, the mask set has 5 pieces with 24 grams of essence in each mask. I love how these masks have cute pictures of human with the autograph too. Instructions with pictures are printed on it as well. Hello! So before masking, let me tell you, I have dry skin. My skin has a bit of rough texture with dry patches here and there. That's why I chose medicated ingredient because it soothes and gives smooth finish to skin. To use this mask, first we have to cleanse, then the toner and then the sheet mask. Here I'm making sure that the mask is drenched well into the essence by pushing the essence towards it. As compared to other sheet masks, this one has softer material. I have very sensitive dry skin type and these emulsion type masks are safe to use. Now, I'm trying to fit this sheet mask on my face. The best part about Nature Republic collaborations with EXO is that the products are actually good and worth the money we are paying it for. I have reviewed other EXO collaborations too. You can check it out in the cards or in the description box below. Look at how much milky essence is in the packet. So I will meet you guys after 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, my mask still feels moisturized. Let's remove it. I must say, the face fit was really good. This mask didn't slip down and remained still throughout. My face has these white lines of essence. Weird. Because this means essence hasn't penetrated my skin on these areas. Let's pat in the essence. My skin feels really hydrated and a little plump as well. Look at how much essence is in the used sheet mask and how thick it is. I'm going to apply this essence on my face and rest of the body because why waste it? My skin feels really hydrated and smooth. It has improved my skin's texture and made it appear smooth. My pores feel small to me. Thank God it didn't react. I didn't react to this mask. My skin feels glowy. The fit of this mask is good too. I will rate it 5 by 5 as I have dry skin. Doing makeup after using this mask kept my skin nourished. This is me Laneha just signing off. Bye!